Want to permanently delete Snapchat messages so they are gone for good? Here's exactly how to do it step by step. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Now navigate to the conversations page. Now launch the conversation with the person where you want to delete the message. Click on the username of that person. Once you're in the profile of that person, click on three dots. Now navigate to the option Chat and Notification Settings. Click on the option Delete Chats. Select the option after viewing. Now you can head back. Now you can head towards any of the chat that you want to delete. Press and hold on it. Select the option Delete. Click on Delete. With that, the selected chat will be deleted. This way you are able to permanently delete Snapchat messages. By following the same steps, you can easily delete other messages with other Snapchatters. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.